Welcome to the session Application of Integration, Solids of Revolution. Integral calculus is the study of finding a function from information about its rate of change. Application of integral calculus includes finding areas of irregular plane regions, length of curves, volume, surface area of solid revolution, mass, moment of inertia, center of gravity. In this session, we shall discuss solids of revolutions. A solid of revolution is generated by revolving a plane area R about a line L in the plane. Line L is known as the axis of revolution. Line L does not intersect the plane area R, but may touch the boundary of R. Sphere is a solid of revolution generated by revolving the semicircular region R about its diameter L. Right circular cylinder is a solid of revolution obtained by revolving a rectangle R about its edge. Parabola about x-axis generates paraboloid, and circular region R about L, not touching it, produces a torus. Volume of solid of revolution. There are two methods to determine the volume of solid of revolution. First one, cylindrical disc CD method, and second one, cylindrical shell CS method. Cartesian form, cylindrical disc method. First one, axis of revolution L is a part of the boundary of the plane area. Consider the plane area ABCD bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x axis, ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b. When the plane area ABCD is revolved about x-axis, a solid of revolution is obtained, 1/4 of which is shown in figure. The volume of an element circular disc of radius y and thickness dx is pi y square dx. Integrating these elements, the volume V of solid of revolution obtained by revolving about the x-axis the plane area bounded by y is equal to f of x is equal to a, x is equal to b, x-axis is V is equal to integral from a to b pi y square dx. Similarly, when plane area bounded by x is equal to g of y is equal to c, y is equal to d, and y-axis is revolved about y-axis, V is equal to integral from c to d pi x square dy. Second, any axis of revolution, V is equal to integral from a to b pi r square dh, where r is equal to perpendicular distance from the curve to the axis of revolution AB. Third, the plane area is bounded by two curves. Let the plane area bounded by two curves y is equal to y1x, lower curve y is equal to y2x, upper curve, the ordinates x is equal to a, x is equal to b is revolved about x-axis, then volume of solid of revolution generated is the difference between the volume generated by the upper curve and lower curve. Thus, V is equal to integral from a to b pi y2 square dx minus integral from a to b pi y1 square dx, which is equal to integral from a to b pi into y2 square minus y1 square dx, where y2 and y1 are the ordinates of the upper and lower curves. Cylindrical shell method. Axis of rotation AB is not part of the boundary of the plane area DEFG. Volume element generated by revolving a rectangular strip about an axis AB, dV is equal to mean circumference into height into thickness. dV is equal to 2 pi r into h into dr. So, V is equal to integral from r is equal to a to r is equal to b 2 pi rh dr. If area DEFG is rotated about y axis AB, thus V is equal to integral from x is equal to a to x is equal to b 2 pi x into y dx. Similarly, about x axis, V is equal to integral from y is equal to c to y is equal to d 2 pi y into x dy. Parametric form. If the equation of the curve binding the plane area is given in parametric form, x is equal to f of t, y is equal to g of t, with the parameter t varying between t1 and t2, then the volume about x axis v is equal to integral from t1 to t2 pi y square dx by dt dt, that is equal to integral from t1 to t2 pi g square t df of t divided by dt dt. Similarly, about y axis v is equal to integral from t1 to t2 pi x square dy by dt dt, which is equal to integral from t1 to t2 pi f square of t d of gt by dt dt. Polar form. The volume of the solid of revolution generated by revolving the plane area R bounded by the curve C, whose equation is given in polar form, R is equal to f of theta, and radio vectors theta is equal to theta 1, theta is equal to theta 2. First one, about the initial line OX, that is theta is equal to 0, V is equal to integral from theta 1 to theta 2 to pi by 3 r cube sin theta d theta. Second one, about the line through the pole and perpendicular to the initial line OY, that is theta is equal to pi by 2. V is equal to theta 1 to theta 2 to pi by 3 r cube cos theta d theta. Examples for volume of solid of revolution. Example 1. Determine the volume of solid generated by revolving the plane area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and x is equal to 4 about the line x is equal to 4. Solution. OACB is the plane region bounded by y square is equal to 4x and x is equal to 4. A typical horizontal element of length 4 minus x and width dy rotated about the line x is equal to 4 generates a circular disk of volume pi into 4 minus x whole square dy. Here y varies from minus 4 to 4. Thus, the required volume generated by rotating OACB about x is equal to 4 is V is equal to integral from minus 4 to 4 pi into 4 minus x whole square dy, which is equal to integral from minus 4 to 4 pi into 4 minus y square by 4 whole square dy. That is equal to 2 pi into integral from 0 to 4 16 plus y raised to 4 by 16 minus 2y square dy, that is equal to 2 pi into 16y plus y raised to 5 by 80 minus 2 by 3 y cube, that is equal to 1024 divided by 15 pi. Example 2. Determine the volume of solid of revolution generated by revolving the loop of the curve a y square is equal to x square into a minus x about the straight line y is equal to b. Solution. The loop lies between the points O00 and A0. Solving the given equation for y is equal to plus or minus x into square root of a minus x all divided by a. So, the lower part of the loop below x axis OBA is y is equal to minus x into square root of a minus x all divided by a. The upper part of the loop above x axis OCA is y is equal to x into square root of a minus x divided by a. The volume V obtained by revolving the loop about the line y is equal to b is the difference of the two volumes V OBA and V OCA obtained by revolving the arcs OBA and OCA about y is equal to b. Volume obtained by revolving the arc OBA about y is equal to b is V OBA is equal to integral from 0 to a pi y square dx, which is equal to pi into integral from 0 to a b minus x into square root of a minus x divided by a the whole square dx. Similarly, V OCA is equal to integral from 0 to a pi y square dx, which is equal to pi into integral from 0 to a b minus x into square root of a minus x by a the whole square dx. V is equal to V OBA minus V OCA, that is equal to pi into integral from 0 to a for bx into a minus x all raised to 1 by 2 divided by root of a dx. Put x is equal to a cos square t. As x varies from 0 to a, t varies from pi by 2 to 0. So, v is equal to 4 pi b divided by root of a into integral from pi by 2 to 0 a cos square t into root of a into sin t into 2a into cos t into minus sin t dt, that is equal to 8 pi a square b into integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin square t into cos cube t dt, that is equal to 8 pi into a square b into 2 by 5 into 1 by 3. V is equal to 16 pi a square b divided by 15. Example 3. Calculate the volume of the solid of revolution generated by revolving the hypocycloid x by a all raised to 2 by 3 plus y by b all raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1. First one about x axis, second one about y axis. Deduce the result when asteroid x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to a raised to 2 by 3 is revolved about x axis, about y axis. Solution. The parametric equation of hypocycloid are x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to b sin cube t. The curve is symmetric about both x axis and y axis and meets them at the points a, b, c, d. First one, revolution about x axis. The solid of revolution obtained by revolving the plane area BACOB enclosed by the arc BAC is the same as the solid obtained by revolving the plane area ABOA contained by the arc BA in the first quadrant. Also, due to symmetry about y axis, the required volume V is twice the volume obtained by revolving arc BA in the first quadrant. Thus, V is equal to 2 times integral from 0 to a pi y square dx, which is equal to 2 times integral from 0 to a pi y square dx by dt dt. Using the parametric equation we have dx by dt is equal to 3a into cos square t into minus sin t, and t varies from pi by 2 to 0 as x varies from 0 to a. So, v is equal to 2 times integral from pi by 2 to 0 pi into b square sin raised to 6 t into minus 3a cos square t sin t dt, that is equal to 6 pi a b square into integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 7 t cos square t dt, that is equal to 6 pi a b square into 6 by 9 into 4 by 7 into 2 by 5 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 32 by 105 pi a b square. Second, revolution about y axis. By similar arguments, volume generated by revolving hypocycloid about y axis is V is equal to 2 times integral from 0 to b pi x square dy, that is equal to 2 pi into integral from 0 to b x square dy by dt dt, which is equal to 2 pi into integral from 0 to pi by 2 a square cos raised to 6 t into 3b sin square t cos t dt, that is equal to 6 pi a square b integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin square t cos raised to 7 t dt, which is equal to 6 pi a square b into 1 by 9 into 6 by 7 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 3, which is equal to 32 by 105 pi a square b. Asteroid is special case of hypocycloid for b is equal to a. The volume generated by revolving asteroid about x axis is V is equal to 32 divided by 105 a cube. Due to symmetry about both x axis and y axis, volume generated by revolving asteroid about y axis is also V is equal to 32 by 105 a cube. Example 4. Determine the volume of solid of revolution generated by revolving the curve whose parametric equations are x is equal to 2t plus 3, y is equal to 4t square minus 9 about x axis for t1 is equal to minus 3 by 2 to t2 is equal to 3 by 2. Solution. Required volume V is equal to integral pi y square dx, that is equal to integral pi y square dx by dt. Using the parametric equations, V is equal to integral from minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2 pi for t square minus 9 whole square into 2 dt, that is equal to 4 pi into integral from 0 to 3 by 2 16 t raised to 4 plus 81 minus 72 t square dt, that is equal to 1296 pi. Example 5. Determine the volume generated by the revolution of the curve r is equal to 2a cos theta about the initial line. Solution. Volume generated by revolution about the initial line is given by V is equal to integral from theta 1 to theta 2 2 by 3 pi r cube sin theta d theta, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi integral from 0 to pi by 2 2a cos theta the whole cube sin theta d theta, that is equal to 16 pi a cube divided by 3 into integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta sin theta d theta, which is equal to 16 pi a cube divided by 3 into 2 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 4 pi a cube divided by 3. Example 6. The arc of the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta included between theta is equal to minus pi by 2 and theta is equal to pi by 2 is rotated about the line theta is equal to pi by 2. Find the volume of the solid of revolution. Solution. Volume of solid generated by revolution about the line theta is equal to pi by 2 is V is equal to integral from theta 1 to theta 2 2 by 3 pi r cube sin theta d theta, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 a cube into 1 plus cos theta the whole cube cos theta d theta, which is equal to 2 pi a cube divided by 3 into 2 times integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 theta plus 3 cos cube theta plus 3 cos square theta plus cos theta d theta, which is equal to 4 pi a cube divided by 3 into 1 plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2, which is equal to pi a cube by 4 into 16 plus 5 pi. Area of the surface of a solid of revolution. Let y is equal to f of x be a plane curve C in the xy plane included between the ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Let pxy be any point on C. When the chord PQ is equal to delta S is revolved about the x-axis, a solid of revolution is generated, which is the frustum of cone of slant height PQ is equal to delta S and radii y and y plus delta y. Hence, the area of the surface of solid of revolution of this elementary belt is 2 pi y into delta S. Dividing the curve C into n parts and summing up the areas of these elementary belts from x is equal to a to x is equal to b, we get the surface area of solid of revolution. Cartesian form. A. Area of the surface of the solid of revolution generated by revolving the arc AB of the curve y is equal to f of x about the x-axis is given by S is equal to integral over AB 2 pi y ds, which is equal to integral from x is equal to a to x is equal to b 2 pi y into square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. Note that ds by dx is equal to square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. B. Area of the surface generated by revolving an arc AB of the curve x is equal to g of y about y axis is S is equal to integral over AB 2 pi x ds, which is equal to integral from y is equal to c to y is equal to d 2 pi x into square root of 1 plus dx by dy whole square dy. Note that ds by dy is equal to square root of 1 plus dx by dy the whole square. Parametric form. X is equal to x of t and y is equal to y of t. A. About x axis. S is equal to integral from t is equal to t1 to t2 2 pi y of t into square root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square dt. B. About y axis, S is equal to integral from t is equal to t1 to t2 2 pi x of t into square root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square dt. Polar form r is equal to f of theta. A. About x-axis, initial line theta is equal to 0. S is equal to integral from theta is equal to theta 1 to theta 2, 2 pi y ds by d theta d theta, that is equal to integral from theta is equal to theta 1 to theta 2, 2 pi r sin theta into square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square d theta. Here replace r by f of theta. B. About the y-axis, perpendicular line through the pole theta is equal to pi by 2. S is equal to integral from theta is equal to theta 1 to theta 2, 2 pi x ds by d theta, which is equal to integral from theta is equal to theta 1 to theta 2, 2 pi r cos theta into square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square d theta. Here replace r by f of theta. About any axis line L, S is equal to integral 2 pi into Pm ds, where Pm is the perpendicular distance from a point P of the given curve to the axis of revolution. A. Limits for x. If limits for x are given as x is equal to a to x is equal to b, then S equal to integral from x is equal to a to x is equal to b, 2 pi into Pm into square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. Here Pm is expressed in terms of x. B. Limits for y. If limits for y are given as y is equal to c to y is equal to d, then S is equal to integral from y is equal to c to y is equal to d, 2 pi into Pm into square root of 1 plus dx by dy whole square dy. Here Pm is expressed in terms of y. Examples for area of the surface of a solid of revolution. Example 1. Find the area of the surface of the solid of revolution generated by revolving the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, where 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3a, about the x-axis. Solution. Y square is equal to 4ax implies 2y dash is equal to 4a, which implies y dash is equal to 2a by y. So, 1 plus y dash square is equal to 1 plus 2a by y whole square, which is equal to y square plus 4a square divided by y square. That is, root of 1 plus y dash square is equal to 4ax plus 4a square all divided by y square, which is equal to 2 root a divided by y into root of a plus x. The area S of the curved surface of the generated by revolving the arc of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, included between the ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3a, about the x-axis is given by S is equal to integral 2 pi y into square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx, which is equal to 2 pi into integral from 0 to 3a y into 2 root a by y into root of a plus x dx, which is equal to 4 pi into root of a integral from 0 to 3a root of a plus x dx. Put x is equal to a tan square t so that dx is equal to 2a tan t sec square t dt. S is equal to 4 pi into root of a into integral root of a sec t 2a tan t sec square t dt, which is equal to 4 pi a square integral sec square t d of sec t, which is equal to 8 pi a square into sec cube t divided by 3, which is equal to 8 pi a square by 3 into 1 plus x by a all raised to 3 by 2 between the limits x is equal to 0 and 3a, which is equal to 56 pi a square divided by 3. Example 2. Determine the surface area of the paraboloid generated by revolving the curve y is equal to x square, included between the ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 6 by 5, about the y-axis. Solution. Y is equal to x square implies y dash is equal to 2x into root of 1 plus y dash square, which is equal to root of 1 plus 4x square. Surface area S is equal to integral from 0 to 6 by 5, 2 pi x into square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx, which is equal to integral from 0 to 6 by 5, 2 pi x into square root of 1 plus 4x square dx. Put 1 plus 4x square is equal to t. So, S is equal to 2 pi by 8 into integral t raised to 1 by 2 dt, which is equal to pi by 6 t raised to 3 by 2 that is equal to pi by 6 into 1 plus 4x square all raised to 3 by 2 between the limits 0 and 6 by 5, which is equal to 1036 pi divided by 375. Example 3. Find the area of the surface generated by revolving the curve with parametric equations x of t is equal to 3t into t minus 2, y of t is equal to 8t raised to 3 by 2 with 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1 about the y axis. Solution. Dx by dt is equal to 6t minus 6, dy by dt is equal to 12t raised to 1 by 2. Root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square is equal to root of 36 into t minus 1 whole square plus 144t, which is equal to root of 36 into t plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 6 into t plus 1. Surface area obtained by revolving about the y axis is s is equal to integral 2 pi into x of t into square root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square dt, which is equal to 2 pi into integral from 0 to 1 3t into t minus 2 into 6 into t plus 1, which is equal to 12 pi into 3t raised to 4 by 4 minus 3t cube by 3 minus 6t square by 2 between the limits 0 and 1, which is equal to 39 pi. Example 4. Calculate the area of the surface of revolution generated by revolving the cardioid x is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y is equal to 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta about the x axis. Solution. The required surface is generated by revolving the arc of the curve from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi. Dx by d theta is equal to minus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Dy by d theta is equal to 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Dx by d theta whole square plus dy by d theta whole square is equal to 8 into 1 minus sin theta into sin 2 theta minus cos theta into cos 2 theta, which is equal to 8 into 1 minus cos theta. The area of surface by revolving about x axis is s is equal to integral from theta 1 to theta 2 2 pi y of theta into square root of dx by d theta whole square plus dy by d theta whole square d theta, which is equal to 2 pi into integral from 0 to pi 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta into 2 into root 2 into root of 1 minus cos theta d theta, which is equal to 8 into root of 2 pi integral from 0 to pi sin theta into 1 minus cos theta all raised to 3 by 2 d theta, which is equal to 16 root 2 by 5 pi 1 minus cos theta all raised to 5 by 2 between the limits 0 and pi, which is equal to 128 pi divided by 5. Let me summarize the major points of this session. In this session, we have discussed the solid of revolution, which is generated by revolving a plane area R about a line L in the plane, where the line L is known as the axis of revolution, and the two methods to determine the volume of solid of revolution, namely cylindrical disc CD method and cylindrical shell CS method. We have seen that the area of the surface of solid of revolution is obtained by summing up the areas of all elementary belts from x is equal to a to x is equal to b, obtained by dividing the given curve y is equal to f of x into n parts. We derived expressions for volume and surface area of solids of revolution in Cartesian, parametric and polar forms. Also, we have discussed some examples for each case. Now, you may attempt the following questions. First one, find the volume of the solid of revolution generated by y is equal to x cube, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 about x axis. Second one, find the volume of the solid obtained by revolving about x axis the plane area enclosed by one arc of the cycloid x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and the x axis. Third one, find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta about the initial line. Fourth one, show that the area of the surface generated when the loop of the curve 9a y square is equal to x into 3a minus x whole square revolves about the x axis is 3 pi a square. Fifth one, find the surface area of a sphere of radius a. Sixth one, find the area of the surface of revolution of the solid generated by revolving the curve whose parametric equations are x is equal to t cube minus 3t, y is equal to 3t square, 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1 about x axis. Seventh one, find the area of the surface of the solid generated by revolving the curve in polar form r is equal to a into 1 plus or minus cos theta about the initial line. For your reference, you may go through the books given here. First one, Calculus 9th edition by George B. Thomas, Rossell Finney, Pearson's Education, New Delhi 2002. Second one, Theory and Problems of Advanced Calculus, Shom's Outline Series, Shom Publishing Company, New York. Third one, Integral Calculus by Gorak Prasad, Pothshala Private Limited, Allahabad. Hope that you have enjoyed this session. We will meet again with another topic. Thank you.